Hi, my name's Jake, and today I'm going to be showing you how to prepare, configure, and import product specifications for your Jim2Commerce site. Having the correct product specifications assigned to your products allows your customer to shop with more confidence. It provides detail at the product page level. It also allows your customers to filter products based on a range of specification options. To fully explain what specifications are and how they work, I'll need to explain both filterable and viewable specifications, as they're quite different, but both are quite relevant. Looking at this product page here, we can see two specifications have been added to this product, panel size and backlight, with the specification option for panel size being 65 inches and the backlight specification option is D-LED. These are what we call viewable specifications, as they're viewable beneath the product on the product page. Now we're looking at two products at the category level and from a customer's perspective. In order to filter these products down to the ones that I'm looking for, I can make a range of selections. In this case, we can see two options under the panel size filter, one being 65 inches and the other being 75 inches. These are what we call filterable specifications. Within Jim2Commerce, you have the option to add either a filterable or viewable specification, or both. The decision is yours. Before you begin importing specifications into Jim2Commerce, we advise going through your product catalog and deciding what specifications you would like to be filterable and what specifications you would like to be viewable, or if you would like both options available for any given product. For example, you may have 20 specifications on a product and you would likely have those as viewable specifications so your customer can see that information at a product level. But it may be overkill to have all of those as a filterable specification. Essentially, filterable specs are what your customer is going to filter products by on the website at a category level. And viewable specs are what your customer is going to see on the product page at a product level. Once you've decided what products are going to have filterable or viewable specifications, or both, we can begin preparing our data for importation into Jim2Commerce. On the import template for the headings, we can see we have a SKU column, which is where you're going to put your Jim2 stock code. In column B, we have the specification, which in this case is panel size. In column C, we have filter, and in column D, we have view. Column B is where you're going to enter the relevant specification in line with the stock code. If you'd like a product to have a filterable specification, you can type true into the filter column. If you would not like a product to have a filterable spec, you can type false into the relevant column. You will need a separate worksheet for each specification. For example, I have panel size, backlight, brightness, and pixel pitch. Each worksheet will have the same template but different data. You may have multiple specs for any given product, which means any given stock code will require multiple worksheets. I've created this brightness specification sheet, which is ready for importation into Jim2Commerce. The brightness spec on these four products will be viewable but not filterable, as I've written true in the view column and false in the filter column. Now, before we import the sheet into Jim2Commerce and connect the specifications to our products, we need to create a specification attribute so the data knows what to link to. This is where in Jim2Commerce, we select Catalog, Attributes, and Specification Attributes. Now at the top right of screen, we're going to click the Add Attribute button and type in the relevant attribute, which in this case is brightness, and press Save and Continue Edit. For our import to work, we need to have at least one option assigned to the specification attribute. So I'm going to select one of the options from our spreadsheet that we're importing. Which in this case, the option for A6500 is this option here. So I'm going to just copy that, press Add New Option, paste that in there, press Save, and then press Save and Continue Edit at the top right of screen. We can now see that the option has been added to the specification attribute. Now we can proceed with the specification import. To do this, I'm going to press the specification attributes text on the left-hand side of screen here. I'm going to go into my default group of specification attributes and find brightness, which I know is at the end there. And I'm just going to press on that Add Products button. Up the top right of screen, there's a green import button, which I'm going to select. I'm going to press Choose File. And this is where we're going to select the relevant spreadsheet that we've just completed. So for this case, I'm selecting brightness, press Open. In the type section here, we'll notice there's 4 different types: option, custom text, custom HTML text, and hyperlink. Generally, you're going to only either use option or custom text. You select option if the specification you're entering is viewable and filterable. You only select custom text if it's a viewable specification. For the sake of this demonstration, I'm going to select option and press import from Excel. Now Jim2Commerce is telling me that there are 3 other options here that haven't been added into Jim2Commerce, but it's mapping them to the product. So now what I can do is press add new option for all 3 of these and press update options. And now what that's going to do is create the option in Jim2Commerce. Press update options. Now it's important to ensure all details are correct when importing specifications. Once they've been imported and added to a product, they can become quite tricky to fix, so just double check all details are correct. We can see here that the 4 products I had on my import spreadsheet have been linked to a product on the site. It's showing me the option assigned to that product, along with a tick in the view column, but no tick in the filters column, as per our sheet. Once you've confirmed all is correct, you can press Add Selected at the bottom right of screen. And those specifications have now been updated to the products on the site. Now we're back on the Jim2Commerce site, just showing you what we've done here. So you can see on the left-hand side of screen, brightness is not a filterable specification because we had false on the sheet. There was no tick at the import area, but panel size is a filterable option. So if I press 65 inches here as a filterable option, you can see it's removing the other products from the search, and it's only showing me the relevant product for that specification. So now if I drill down to this product and I scroll down to our viewable specifications, we can see here panel size 65 inches. Now that's showing here and as a filterable option because both were ticked on the sheet. And now we can see here brightness is a viewable specification. So that's the option that we just added before, but it was not a filterable specification at the category level because of the way that we configured it. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to our support team, and we look forward to speaking with you soon.